All right, and those were just my Rhodes dinner rolls that we smashed. Now, before we continue, I'm just gonna grab my fork and do a few pokes into my rolls so that they can breathe in the oven. But we are not popping this in yet. We are gonna get these ready for game day. I have here my pizza squeeze. This is just some pizza sauce, and we're gonna add a generous amount right in the center of each of our dinner rolls. Now I am obviously using those delicious Rhodes dinner rolls. I let them rise on my countertop for 3 hours so they can puff up and be ready for the oven, and then we smashed them down so that we can make something great. All right, that looks like it's enough. Just spread that out all over our roll. You kind of want to make a little crust for this delicious little appetizer lunch. This is going to be so easy, so delicious. You can make this on a weekday. You can make it for dinner. You can make them, cook them, and then have them for lunch for your kids. However you want to make these, they are a crowd pleaser. That looks perfect. And you guys probably could have guessed it. We are coming in with some mozzarella, and we're going to freshly grate our mozzarella in our cheese grater right into our bowl. I'm pretty sure this is going to be enough cheese, but you can use whatever cheese you like. I am just going for everyone's favorite cheese, but look how easy this is. Lost a little bit, but that's okay. And now we are going to sprinkle our cheese right onto each of our dinner rolls. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to get these cooking. These are one of my favorite things to make when I am craving pizza, but this is going to be so much better than pizza. They are going to be almost like a little Lunchable pizza, but with an upgrade. So let's get our cheese on here super quick. Yum, yum, yum. All right, last one. See, we have plenty of cheese left over. No worries, these will not go to waste because we eat a lot of cheese in this house. Now we're coming in with our mini pepperonis, and I'm just gonna kind of put them in my hand so I can distribute them easier. And we're gonna add about 3 mini pepperonis right onto each one of our dinner rolls. Now I'm using pepperonis because these are my favorite, but you can use whatever you like. And don't worry, that's not all we're putting on here. So let's get this done super fast because I am hungry. All right, we need to make this a little healthy. So we're adding some green bell peppers right on there. And I just had my hubby dice that up for me so that I didn't have to do any of the heavy lifting. And we're just adding a sprinkle of our green pepper on here. I absolutely love green pepper because it's not as sweet as, you know, a red bell pepper. And I think it just complements those pepperonis oh so beautifully. But you can add whatever veggie you want. You can add an onion, a red bell pepper, or an olive. But this is what I'm going for. And then, of course, we're adding something that my husband needs to have on his pizza, and that is gonna be mushrooms. And these are just like the baby Bella mushrooms sliced, and we're just gonna add a couple here and there. But the fun thing about these is you can customize them to your liking. You can make each little pizza different. You can make them all the same. You can have your kids make their own, and it's just little small servings. It's so great, as I said, for an appetizer or party, for game day. I love making these for any occasion because they are just so fun and tasty. And I did grease my sheet pan. I'm not sure if it's necessary, but that's what I did. All right, and last but certainly not least, I cooked up some Italian sausage, and I'm putting that on there because we want the meat, right? You can also make this a Hawaiian pizza with ham and pineapple. You can make this whatever kind of pizza you like. You can make it an all veggie pizza and, you know, throw everything I just already said on here. But I think that no matter what you put on here, those dinner rolls are really gonna be the star of this dish. All right, they're kind of going crazy, but I think as it melts, it will kind of hang on to its home. All right, now my oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for about 25 minutes. I cannot wait. Oh my, our house smells so good. Now, super quick, we are gonna top this off with some Parmesan cheese. These cooked so beautifully. We're just gonna sprinkle that on each one. I'm so excited. Last but certainly not least, we have some crushed red pepper. My family all loves crushed red pepper, so that's what we're adding to ours. But obviously, if you don't like hot things, you can skip this. These are both just optional because my family loves it. We want it to taste like a true pizzeria. All right, we have our little plate here, and let's go for one. I think I'm gonna get this one right here. Right off of that sheet pan. Yummy. Little mini individual pizzas. Oh, and look at that bottom. perfectly cooked.
Good.
Ooh, I'm gonna give this a try.
Is it good?
That is so good. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna eat this whole thing.